Hello everyone. This is a non-clickbait video on how to draw anything. Yes, you heard me right, you can draw anything. And I'm going to show you how. First thing first, we need a reference. For this video, we will be drawing a horse. Here you can see I have already drawn one here, but I'll show you how to get to this point first. So let's get started. Here is the reference on left. We will start by making basic shapes. Basic shapes can be circles, ovals and bean shape, or S-curves where needed. And most importantly in this step, it does not require you to be accurate. It is better to enjoy this step, just make those strokes as per your understanding. Now I'll add markings for facial features. Now I will simply add values by darkening the portions as per reference. You can use either mechanical pencil or normal graphite pencil to your liking. This process is slow, but results will be good. Once you have filled in the first layer, you can start blending. For blending, you can use sponge blender like this, or tissue from McDonald's, or even your fingers will do. While blending, keep in mind that you do not smudge everything. Just apply blender on darker areas. Once done, repeat the process of darkening and keep the lighter areas clean. After applying multiple layers, your sketch should be looking similar like to this one I made yesterday. This video get long and boring if I show the multiple layer part. Now even this one is not complete yet, I still not add more layer in this. Only then truly I can the so-called details, which are known as highlights. Now to show you how highlights are done, first you'll need an eraser, a simple one like this will However, preferred one is finer eraser like this, or best one will be this pencil eraser. So all I'm gonna do now is apply this on all the lighter bits. As you can see that it is almost done. By going over this method, even making anime is easy. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I will try make better video next time with another reference still. Then stay tuned.